Hi guys, it's Jana, and today look what I have. This variegated alocasia. Finally guys, I decided to get this plant. There's only two left in Lowe's and the other one is leaning sideways, and this is the only one that looked good. And I decided to, what? I live in Florida and I should have this as part of my collection. I started collecting houseplants and I want to have this inside my house, even though this grows in the shady area here in the yard in Florida, but this is going inside my house. I got paint all over me today. You probably would see on my hands later, but I found a pot, a terracotta pot, and I painted it white, and I am going to put this plant there. So this is okay, here's the price for $24.98. okay, and well, there are a lot of browning on the side of the leaves here, so this one is damaged, but that's not bad because this one is doing okay. See, it is beautiful guys. Look at the variegation. I'm so excited. I am so happy that I got this plant. And then this one here has a little bit of brown stuff, probably got exposed to a lot of sunlight or too much watering. And here is a little bit of browning here, but this one is beautiful. Look at that variegation there. So it's good that guys that some is not so much white on this one, so the white is looking good, but it's not healthy on plants. But at least this has some green in there, so we like this type of irrigation. And then this is what makes this plant attractive, even though it's not like this one is so white and it's dying because that don't have much of a, is that what you call a chlorophyll? And then so this one probably needs to get cut off, since this already shoot a it has a shoot of leaf already, so a healthy leaf up here. See that healthy leaf? So I could just cut this plant here and leave this good one leaf up here. And also guys, let's count how many babies are in here. Let's start with this guy here. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the big one, 5, 6, 7, and 8 for this one here. It's coming up, and there is a little leaf coming up right there. See, and there is also, I don't know if this is gonna be a root or a node or whatever leaf gonna come out there, hopefully. So there are 8 that I could possibly say babies on this. So look at the stem. The stem looks so pretty. That variegation is so beautiful. I am in love with variegation, guys. Let's see the back of this leaf. Wow, look at that pretty thing. So beautiful. I love how scattered the marble on it. Is that what you call it? Marbling? The marble color on it. The variegation is just so beautiful. So I probably can cut this white thing off and leave this beautiful plant leaf up here. So guys, I am going to repot this plant, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you in a little bit. Here is the roots of this alocasia. It's good right there. So I was so nervous taking this apart. I don't want to hurt the plant, and I was able to get this out the pot. I had to like wiggle it around and use this little shovel before loosen the dirt on the sides of the pot to get it out, guys. But they're out now, and I'm gonna move them in the pot. So here is my pot, and it has dryer sheets inside. I use 2 dryer sheets. So I keep all the dryer sheets that I use in drying the, for softener, guys, the laundry softener. I keep them all because they said that I can use this for the drainage hole to in order to cover the drainage hole here, because I don't want dirt to fall all over my wood floor. So, and I also gonna have a cover for the bottom of this pot for the water, the way it doesn't have water on the floor as well. So guys, I'm gonna move this to the bigger pot. So here is my newly potted alocasia, guys. I made a lot of mess, but it was worth it. Here's my pot, and here are the babies around it. You can see the other tiny baby in here, and the other 2 babies over here, right here. I also already cut the brown leaves that are around the area, so it would look neat. And these other babies are still here that are growing. So I would probably add a top dressing on this, and I also watered it, so hopefully that was okay to do. This is my first time planting this alocasia, and I will add the top dressing. Here is my plant, guys, with the top dressing on top of it. So I did not put a lot of this rocks. I only put a very thin layer, that way it will have room for the sprouts to grow, to come out on this area of the soil. So I just like to cover the dark dirt on it and make it look pretty. Alright guys, well, this is the finished product, and I will take this inside. Well, thank you for watching, and I will keep an update on this plant soon. So guys, this is it for now, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.